Good evening. Dr. Martin Luther King, the apostle of nonviolence in the civil rights movement, has been shot to death in Memphis, Tennessee.
In the 1960s, African Americans were fighting for their rights. Today, another civil rights movement has surfaced and has caused unrest both nationally and locally. With the large amount of publicity in Arizona, a local issue concerning gay-themed books in 2 South Carolina colleges have gone largely unnoticed. At the University of South Carolina Upstate, freshmen are required to read out loud The Best of Rainbow Radio, a book about South Carolina's first gay radio station. And, at College of Charleston, they are required to read Fun Home, a novel written by Alison Bechdel about her life as a lesbian with a closeted gay father. According to a report from News Channel 6, after a concerned student took her book to her father then complained to Gary Smith, a Republican representative from Greenville, South Carolina, who acted by writing a proviso that would cut funding from both USC Upstate and College of Charleston for around $70,000.
Gary Smith is part of the committee that decides the budget for South Carolina public colleges and universities, but the question of whether the government has the power to censor schools of higher learning remains.
According to South Carolina Democratic Representative Gilda Cobb Hunter from Orangeburg, lawmakers are in no position to be making moral judgments. She even stated that, "We need to stop running a dictatorship, forcing people to believe what we believe. This is a wide, wide world." A children's book, And Tango Makes Three, based on the true story of 2 male penguins in the Central Park Zoo who adopted and raised a baby penguin, is returning to Charlotte Mecklenburg School's shelves after the controversial book was banned despite there being no formal complaints made. While books like The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, once known for its racist content, have been put back on the shelves, other books are continually being removed, both publicly and privately. A recent editorial in the Rock Hill Herald sums up the situation. If legislators really revere diversity and academic freedom, they'll oppose this ridiculous measure.
The opinion from legislators remains to be seen, as the South Carolina House, Senate, and Governor still have to agree on the budget cuts at a later date.
Reporting for The Buzz, I'm Mason Stroll.